from the soil where the ocean meets the sky. Keep the banner of our ancestors lifted up high. It's the heart of the Pacific beating steady in my chest. Through the trials and the storms, yeah, we handle every test. Never fold, never break, God is the foundation. Strength of the elders running through the generation. Hold the line, so standing shoulder to shoulder. Wisdom in our blood, getting sharper as we're older. Aloiluma, yeah, we gotta keep it moving. With the love of our homeland, watch what we're proving. From the islands to the globe, let the world hear the name. Samoa forever, yeah, we never gonna change. No matter how far the currents take us, the shores of our homeland will always call us back to our elders. Thank you for paving the way to the next generation. Hold fast to your roots and never forget the soil that shaped you. Keep the faith, keep the love, keep the brotherhood. Because no matter where we are in the world, Samoa is not just a place we are from, it is who we are. God is our foundation forever.